Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to start using Bullx New on your mobile. Now to do this, the process is very simple, quick and easy. Just follow the steps I'll show you guys in this video. Now we will start off by opening our Telegram on our mobile, and on that we will search Bullx. You will see this kind of icon right here. Simply go and click on it. Hit the start button, and after you will hit the start button, you will see that you are put on a waiting list. You will see this kind of message. Now to get the early access, you need to follow the steps that I will show you. We'll head over to our search bar, and here we will search Bullx new access code. Now once you search it, you will see this one right here. Simply go and click on it. Now here it will provide you all the access for Bullx New and for Simple Bullx as well. Simply go and click on this Get Instant Access button, and once you click on it, it will redirect you back to your bot, and here you can hit this login button. Once you do that, it will take you to the login link, redirect you to the login page. You need to wait a few seconds here, and now it is logging you in. After that, simply wait for it to load, accept the terms. You can see now I'm on the main page of Bullx. Now that's how successfully you can start using Bullx. And once you're on the main page, we need to go to our wallet manager in order to get started with our trading experience on Bullx. Now for that, simply hit these three horizontal lines and select wallet manager. Now once you are on your wallet manager, go and select Solana right here. There are different blockchains as well, you guys can check out. Well, we'll select Solana, and now this is your primary Solana wallet. You can check your wallets by clicking on this icon right here. This is my current wallet, and now I will copy the address of this wallet and deposit some Solana on it from another wallet. Now make sure you have some Solana in your another wallet like Phantom, and we'll simply deposit on some Solana on this address, and we will be good to go. Well, I hope you find this video helpful. I'll see you guys in the next video.